Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. While there are many types of tests that are possible to automate, here are some of the most common. 1. Functional tests. Functional testing helps determine if the software or app works according to expectations. 2. Non-functional tests. Non-functional tests measure several things, including how well the software performs in various circumstances, how well the software works under expected user loads, including peak usage, how well the software works under the heaviest load conditions. 3. Code analysis. Code analysis looks at code and identifies problems. 4. Unit tests. Unit tests evaluate individual software components. The purpose of unit tests is to ensure the basic functionality of specific units within the software is intact and error-free. 5. Integration tests. Integration tests make sure that units work together when they are connected with each other. 6. Smoke tests. Developers use smoke tests to verify the stability of the entire system after each new build. 7. Performance tests. Performance tests measure how well the software works. Its main concern is the overall quality of the software. 8. Regression tests. Regression testing ensures new code, error repair, or updates don't break the functionality of previously existing components within the software. 9. API tests. API testing ensures that two components are able to communicate with each other reliably and securely in a variety of scenarios. An API test automation framework should be easy to use, scalable, and reusable. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.